May I, could I, and can I to ask for permission. How to use can, could, and may to ask for permission? Can, could, and may are modal verbs, and we use them all to ask if it's okay to do something. So, how are they different and how do we respond when we want to agree to a permission request and also to refuse? Let's see. Well, first of all, let's see how to use each of them. For example, can is the most informal, so people use it when they feel confident with someone. Could is in the middle. That is, people use it with someone they don't know very well, but it can be used with close friends as well. May is very formal. Use it for specific situations, when people don't even know the other one, but need to ask or suggest something. Let's see some examples. May I leave work early? Could I park here? Can I use your money to buy a new phone? There are different ways to respond positively when someone asks for permission. Let's see in a formal way. For example, why certainly, please do, yes of course, help yourself, sure, yeah, okay. So let's see some examples using them. May I leave work early? Please do. Could I park here? Yes, of course. Can I use your money to buy a new phone? Yeah, okay. So there are different ways to respond negatively. Let's see. I'm afraid. Not on your life. In a word, no. No way. So let's see some examples using them. May I leave work early? Oh no, I'm afraid you need to stay. Could I park here? No way, it's a desirable parking. Can I use your money to buy a new phone? In a word, no. So, the assessment. The students have to write a dialogue in group of 3. Then, create a video to perform it and submit it to the platform. And finally, in a forum, they are going to give their own opinion about the video.